Within the QPP software, click on Maintenance menu and select the ink system. Then click on Vacuum System and disable the vacuum of the printer or click on Emergency. Mark each manifold valve with its corresponding color to ensure that are replaced in the correct position. Remove all the valves from the manifold. Disconnect each of the inlet and vacuum pipes from the manifold. Remove the manifold by loosening 2 screws. Replace the old manifold with new one. Reconnect the pipes and valves, ensuring they are in their original color positions.